As part of this video, we are going to see how to get a free version of a Google Gemini API key, which we are going to use in subsequent videos to build the Agentic AI application, right? So we are just learning, right? So we are just learning the application. So that's the reason we are not going to buy any license key, but we are trying to get a free version of a Google Gemini API key to build our application. So let's get started. So for this purpose, I'm going to open. So I have opened my Google page. So then type Google Gemini API key and then press enter and then go for the first link. So once you get this one, and then you can go for the start, and you can see the left side, right? So left side you can see get API key, and then you can able to see this API keys page. So currently I don't have any keys associated with my account, so I'm going to create a simple API key and select your own project. In case if you don't have any project, try to create it, right? So and then give the a test a key. You can use some name to your key correspond to that one, and then try to generate this one, right? So this key will be generated, and this key we are going to use in subsequent videos, right? So this is my key, so don't worry, I'm going to delete this key after this video, right? So that's the way you can able to generate this key, and you can copy the key by clicking this copy key, and then your key is ready, and this you can use it for your subsequent videos. That's about this video, and thanks for your time.